La Mauricie National Park is a national park located near Shawinigan in the Laurentian Mountains, in the Mauricie region of Quebec, Canada. It covers 536 square kilometers in the southern Canadian Shield region, bordering the St. Lawrence lowlands. The park contains 150 lakes and many ponds. The forests in this region were logged from the middle of the 19th century to the early 20th century. The park's forests have regrown and contain a mixture of conifers and mixed deciduous trees. The park is named after the nearby Saint-Maurice River to the east of the park.